Hello, my friends. Today, I want to tell you a story. A calm, gentle, inspiring story about moving forward one step at a time. There was a boy, named Imran. Imran had big dreams. He wanted success. He wanted a better life. But when he looked at his big goals, he felt scared. He thought, nah, this is too big. I cannot do this. I am too small. Because of fear, he did nothing. He stayed in the same place. One day, Imran visited his grandfather in the village. They went for a walk on a hill. The hill was high. The path was long. Imran looked at the top and said, "Grandfather, this is too far. I cannot climb." His grandfather smiled softly and said, "Do not look at the top. Look at your next step." Imran looked down. He took one small step, then another step. Slowly, they climbed higher. After some time, Imran looked back. He was surprised. He had come so far just by taking small steps. He smiled. His grandfather said, "Life is like this hill. If you look at the whole journey, you feel afraid. But if you focus on one step, you can move forward." From that day, Imran changed. He did not worry about the whole future. He focused on today. One small action, one small improvement, one small effort, day by day. He moved forward. Slowly, his confidence grew. Slowly, his life improved. Because big success comes from small steps. Final message. My friends, this story is for you too. Do not be afraid of big dreams. Just start with one step. One small action today can change your future. Ending line, thank you for listening. Keep learning English. Keep moving forward, Sumat. And always remember, one step at a time isn't